Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Inner Boys. If you are new in my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Right now, I'm eating ice candy. If this is the cheapest dessert in my country, this I think it's dollar cent. Mm. The flavor is mango. Mm. Ah, it's look like ice cream, not icy. It's a creamy, yummy, delicious, parlor taste like a sundae. Ah, yummy, creamy, parlor taste. Mm. Mm. If you know this, guys, please comment down if you try to eat this ice candy. Ice and candy combined, and it's ice candy. So yummy. I'm eating this candy inside my small house. I'm indoor boys. I'm inside in my small house. That's why I called myself is indoor boy, because I'm inside my small house. Ah, it's yummy. If you guys want to make ice candy, the ingredients, it's simple. Uh, First thing you do, you buy a mango. If you don't have a mango mango tree outside in your house, or just buy a one mango and then one condensed milk and mix it in water. Uh, I think it's mix it water and some more ingredients. That's it, and you mix and put inside the fridge after many hours. Like I think it's better 24 hours, and after that it's already freeze, but not an icy. It's creamy. It's delicious. It's yummy, and it's like an ice cream. That's why a cheapest dessert in my country. That's called ice candy. That's it. See you in my next part. Don't forget to subscribe and like my videos. Bye bye.